Hey guys, this is Mr. Kingdom Cash Charles Dyson here, and I'm going to show you how to make Forex Factory an app on your phone for Apple users. So from your phone, what you want to do is go to Google, search Forex Factory. All right, it's going to pull up the website, click it. All right, and at the bottom, you see that button in the middle. You're going to click that as if you're going to save it, right? But then you're going to slide your options to the right, and you're going to add Forex Factory to home, okay? And then you're going to click add, and it's going to make a little emblem like an app. And then you can move it anywhere you want on your phone. And what this is going to do is make it so you can just click Forex Factory and go check out the news. But if you're trading on your own and you don't know what to do, I want to introduce you to the platform that I use to trade. It's absolutely awesome. It's called iMarkets Live. You can check the description box of this actual video for more information how you can copy, paste, and profit.